Hello, hello.
Yo, yo, yo.
What's up?
What up, what up?
Ooh. What's going on, chat? What's going on, chat? Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Dinner time in Japan? Really? That's an amazing time to trade then, the New York session. Yeah, you can trade while, in the evening. It's amazing. I want that. I'll replace my Asian session with New York anytime. If I was that time. What up, Lucky? What up, Sky and Trading? Ooh. I'm not gonna lie today. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I really think it goes to stay in the range there. I'm being completely honest. No clickbait. I really believe we're gonna move tomorrow probably. I might be completely wrong though, because I was expecting us to continue down today. What's up, Lock? Good morning. I was expecting the daily count to continue down today, but by the looks of it right now, it doesn't look like it wants to go anywhere. If I'm being completely honest, because we did break below support, they kind of broke below yesterday, right? So I mean, high chance we should continue down towards the support, shouldn't we? If that's the case, say right? It makes perfect sense. That support or this support? This is the daily. This is the daily candle on gold. So I mean, you should expect this to happen, right? But looks at the volume, like right now there's no volume at all, and I can kind of tell off the rip if it takes to be a volatile day or not. I don't think it takes to be awkward day at all. But let's see. This 4 hours been ranging for the past since Asian opening or New York close yesterday. We haven't really got a breakout. It is a clean range though. Like what I mean by clean range is that there's a perfect resistance here and a perfect support. So I mean, it's not like it's a fake outs, right? So who knows? We might get kind of fake out, but probably won't. I don't know. Let's see. It really depends on how we close within these hourly candles there, the 7 a.m. candle especially. Let's see. But by the looks of it, it doesn't look too good for a volatile day today. Doesn't mean it's not gonna move though. This range, you can probably catch something in the range. This is a nice 100 pip range. You can definitely catch 10, 20 pips in that range. That's the thing. Yeah, preferably on gold. I probably want sells below here. 1708. That's the target I was looking at yesterday. Or sorry, no, not this target. I think it was 707. If I'm not wrong. The reason why I said 707 because if you look left there's some traffic there. I think. Check. Yeah, right there. Below here, these are my sells that I want. 1707, and then we'll come down towards like this target. If we do break below the range, alright. So from there it's gonna be around like you're looking at a 70 pip range rate. A 75 pip range is not bad, but I mean, let's see if we get a breakout today. We are closing bear short resistance here. I mean, but the thing is, candles are putting side by side. It's literally a barcode, right? So you scan that, it equals no volume. Go to GG here. GG looks a lot more promising today. However, GG looks promising, so maybe we'll focus a lot more on GG today than gold. That's why I have GG first today and not gold in today's focus. The weekly is bullish. I'm expecting us to continue up still, right? The daily candle closed bullish yesterday. I'm actually expecting today's candle to actually break out this resistance because I've seen it many times where price creates a high, price comes down, creates a low, we create support. This is what we talked about Monday, right? Or Friday. Support was founded. We came up. Now we're retesting the highs. This count here, I'm expecting this to actually close above this resistance today for tomorrow to continue up further, right? It'll make perfect sense. This is how we close today. Something like that, and then tomorrow's channel will continue up probably, right? Because we're retesting the highs the second time around this time. So yesterday we retested the highs, we came down to leave a wick. Today we filled that wick. So as we're breaking that wick today, high chance we have to continue further up. So I think if you're looking for buys on GJ, I think the better buys would be I think we're above here. What is that fake up back in the range? I'll say above here. Above there, going on towards, let's see, towards, how big is this range here? Pit range, 36 pit range, not bad. I'll say towards this resistance. It should be clean buys. This, either this or like even this. Like you can probably catch 18 pips. That'll be the minimum target for the day. 149, 821, and then eventually 150, potentially. But we really need to close above that resistance. It's a must. There's no if, it's a must. Yeah. Simple day for GJ. Decent day for gold. Music? Oh, it's on. My bad. Oof. What up, Andre? What up, Lock?
Morning, bro.
Sharif? Morning. Marsh, my shoulders are sore, man.
Are they?
Yeah. Oof. Shoulders are sore. This guy had me doing. Man, upper shoulder. Good buys above 149, 670. Yes, it should be clean buys above there. Very clean buys. But until then, this is kind of nasty, right? This looks kind of nasty. This is a nasty range. It doesn't look too clean, you know, whatsoever. Top of the morning, what up, Uptown? Where's Carlos?
As you text him, I'm about to text him.
Yeah, texted him. Where you at? Ooh, look what you have here. How the 1 hour close? Okay. So the 1 hour close bullish, and we haven't broken the lows yet. We're flipping bullish here. We close above this resistance here. That minor resistance on the 1 hour time frame, right? This is the 30-minute resistance. The 30-minute resistance here, you have what we call a side replay here. What time is it? 6:38? Wow. Okay, 6:38, 15 cent close above, 1 hour. I mean, 4 hours on Phil's wick, most likely. 15:30. I'm gonna take a position here on GJ. The start replay breaking the highs here. I'm gonna take a position here, and then my stop loss is gonna be around, let's say, where's the current candle low? 1 hour lows. I'll stay around here for now, and I'll manage risk depending on how the 1 hour closes here. If the 1 hour closes below, I'm gonna close full. But if we, you know, close like above, like I'm expecting price to continue up here, I'm gonna let the position run risk free. But managing it. So we have 20 minutes left for the 1 hour close here, but I'm in a position here. I'm in gold buys with the 30-minute start replay and the 1 hour flipping bullish after creating the liquidity wick, or the lows, whatever you want to call it. Guys, yesterday I had no trades at all yesterday, except for the, I think it was the New York session, or sorry, the Asian session. I got my 12 pips on, I think it was gold, and then during last night before I went to bed, I got another position on GJ for buys. So I waited all day. I mean, it was worth it. And to take any positions yesterday, wasn't comfortable taking positions, and it was a clean day. But yeah, so the resistance I have drawn here on my screen, on a 1 hour, the resistance is down here, right? So we broke above already. All I was doing right now, because we broke above, close within the wicks. All price did right here, which is retest, you know, the area, the support, peer support. Never broke the lows. So I've been expecting this candle since it's flipping here after a huge liquidity wick to continue up with the 4 hour wick fill towards this minimum resistance right here. And then as we get to that price, I'm gonna move my stops to break even, make it a risk-free trade. But I'm gonna see how the 1 hour closes here, and that's in 20 minutes. So I mean, look at the 4 hour. Clean, right? Look where the 4 hour closed as well. The 4 hour closed above this resistance here. This candle is just, you know, filling this wick to continue up. I believe we should tap. By the end of the session, I'm looking at 150 levels. Let's see. Yeah. See how the 1 hour resistance is down here, but 30-minute resistance is up here. I just drew it off of 30. But I think off the 1 hour it will be probably around like this area. Same shit. Thirty-minute started play. All right, look at that. Imagine risk is key here, but you have 18 minutes left. So right now you can't really do anything, obviously, until we get closures, right? So the next closure is in 15. So we'll see what happens in the next 15-minute candle, or 4 minutes actually. Should close bullish though. I feel like GJ this week has been moving so slow. Like the first target this week was like this area above 149 200. We broke above there. We barely moved, right? And this is last night. I mean, we came up to here with resistance. We barely moved, and now we're just breaking above that level. So, I mean, I hope this is just one clean push up. But my target probably won't be that high. It'll probably be somewhere around here, to be honest with you guys. Like around this resistance here. A 1 to 1, or a little higher than that. 90 pips for like 17 pip stops. Let's see. Last 15 the hourly. That's in 4 minutes. There's 3 figures during the London session. Really? I don't know. I avoid London. I got on bias last night on GJ, right before I went to bed, around right here. This is a fake out on the 1530. Came back in the range, right? Let's see how this 15 closes there. We have a minute for closure. I'll probably want a closure above, to be honest with you guys. But thing is, we have like 15 minutes up for the hourly close, so let's see how we close there. Just look at the 4 hour, right? Look at the 4 hour and look at the 1 hour time frame. You went on this one, Perado?
I stayed out just because 2 things. That 1 hour has just like that little small top wick.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think it was maybe like 2 weeks ago, we took the exact same play, 30-minute celery, clean traffic looking left, but the time was like 6:38. Like literally the exact same time.
Exact same trade.
Yeah, exact same trade, exact same time, and it didn't push up. And then I like wrote on my my daily journal that I just didn't think there was enough volume. So I'm sitting this one out, but I hope it hits TP. You know that.
No,
that's the way I am.
I just saw the way to 4 hour close, and I was kind of sold off the 4 hour time frame closing above here.
I like that as well.
And that's on the 1 hour. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. No, it made sense. Made sense to me, but I don't know. I think me and you both took it like 2 weeks ago as well.
I think I recall it. Yeah.
$15 closed above.
Yep. No top wick. I'm completely fine with that. Whoa. Barely top wick. With this 30 minute started playing a 1 hour still open, I guess he had his 1 hour closes.
No bottom wick on the 15 as well. All right, now there's bottom wick.
Yeah, we got like 15 minutes for the hourly closer. Let's see. Big profit 149.
think you may be good.
Yeah, let's see. So as the hourly closes. I wanted to close up like obviously higher in this. Like I wanted to close like decently bullish, you know,
Yeah.
like at least somewhere over here or something like this would be ideal. I'll be risk free. But if it closes like weak bullish, I might just like if it closes like this, I might just consider closing at break even in 15. If it closes exactly like this, let's see. Alright, because we came above, closed above in the hourly. 30-minute here, candle close bearish, but above that support, respecting that support. This candle started play going up above the resistance. I think it makes sense here. The only flaw I do see here on this trade, the only flaw is maybe it's the last 15 the hourly. Other than that, since like the hourly spent most of its candle here creating a lower wick, this is like pretty much the second half. I haven't seen this in a while, but this is like the second half of the hourly candle here after creating a steep liquidity wick. I believe this is gonna push up. That wick was also a 4-hour wick too. That's the only thing I do see in this trade. Just the last 15. Other than that, I mean, days bullish, like everything just makes sense to me. Look how many fakers are in London. Yeah, but that's London though, right? The thing about that is that look at the fake. Look at where we got faked out though during London. Right here, and look at what happened. We never closed above there, right? And where was this from? Yesterday, pre and Y. That was a resistance being created, and London never closed above. That's why you got faked out. But look at the hourly closing above now. This hourly is doing what these candles couldn't do. That's the difference in today's trade and London's trade, obviously. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna move my stops
at
break
breaks.
even. Yeah, make it a risk-free trade, guys.
Yes, nice.
And there you go. There's a trade. We're like current 8 pips of profit. Gonna close half at 10 pips once we get there. Didn't get there yet, but very soon. My spreads didn't get there yet. But yeah, if you guys are at 10s, then by all means close half. But move my stops to break even here. We also have this 15-minute shouldn't flip bearish here if it wants to drive. It should not flip bearish. And our entry happens to be on the open like candle, so it's perfect for managing risk too.
Good trade.
It's not done yet. I didn't close yet. You can't say that.
Well, it stops at breaks is good enough.
Yeah.
Especially because 2 weeks ago, like that kept me out, and I probably won't take it again this early. But
no, it makes sense. Yeah, this would be a fine close for me. Like I said earlier, I drew the candle like this. This is how I want to close. If it does, obviously above here will be perfect. TP before the hourly close would be perfect. But like this, like I wouldn't ask for anything more. As long as it's not a weak bullish candle, right? But yeah, if you were in a because look, if you look at the 15 here and you look at my entry, like why did he buy at the top of the resistance, right? But looking at the hourly, the difference in this 15-minute resistance is that this time the 1 hour close above. So you gotta look at different time frames. Lucky, to determine that entry for you. You can't just look at one time from all time, right? Like there could be like 20 rejections on the 15-minute time frame, but if the hourly closes above, then it's a completely different story. The chances of the 15 closing above as well and breaking above there is higher since the hourly close above or the higher time frame, right? And in this case, the 4 hour too. We also got a good entry too. We got an entry in the hourly flip. I mean, this hourly again should not flip as well as the 15. So before this candle closes. Hey, you guys like my video yesterday on brokers?
Yeah, I did.
Holy fuck, how many followers did I get overnight? What happened here? Oh shit! The podcast is up. That's why. Oh shit, the podcast is up.
Oh shit.
I'm kind of scared. I want to watch a podcast, bro. Come on, I don't want to watch a podcast. I'm not watching the podcast.
Stop.
I'm not watching my own podcast, man. Like I did so bad my podcast, guys. Like I was just on some next shit. Like I was off. I was out of it. The train on podcast is up. Oh fuck. That means the simulation's coming soon. Oh shit. Andre, go listen to it on mute and let me know, cause fuck, man, I did so bad. You can hear the.
I'm going right.
How nervous I was in that one, yo. Like, nuts. You posted at a perfect time though. Thanks for that though. Holy shit. Posted right when I started streaming. What up, Block? You in the street or what?
He blew his account 20 times before making thousands of dollars trading Forex.
Such a clickbait video, bro. Drop the link later. I mean, it's up on YouTube. Like, search up like train.
Looks like he posted two separate videos.
Really?
Yeah. He did one on your celery play, and then and there's a picture of a little piece of a celery with a smiley face.
Yo, I can't do this. I can't do this, guys. I can't do this. This is not.
I gotta mute myself real quick. I gotta play the volume.
Go listen to it, man. I can't. Shit. Fuck. I'm gonna go listen to it real quick. What's good? What's good, Mike Ross? Oh, it's premiering in 6 minutes. Oh, it's even worse. It's live.
Hasn't even dropped yet, bro. Oh, fuck.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Hilarious.
No, guys. No.
Mr. CJ showing love. Like it. He's posting in the chat.
Yo. 20-year-old full-time trader reviews his sorry play trade. Oh, we're in the trade right now. That's the funny part. Oh my god, I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna go in the thing. Hold on.
Here comes your 10 pips.
Yes, sir. Hold on. Funny thing is we are. That's so funny. The timing. Oh man.
Did you close half on GJ or no?
I didn't get 10 pips yet, did I?
Didn't you get it? I don't know your exact spreads, but
10 pips.
okay.
Like 7, 8. That's funny, man. Good vibes today. But fuck. That's so funny, man. Jesus Christ. Zoom user? Who's a Zoom user? Zoom user.
Hey, you guys hear me?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Oh, finally. What's up, guys?
What's going on, bro?
This was a good trade.
You're in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, this is Locke. For us who don't know, this is the guy that put me onto Forex when I first started trading.
The OG.
The OG. He was on my first stream. Like, he's been here like the whole journey pretty much.
What's up?
What's up, boys? Yo, you said I was your living testimony for your signals.
You're my living testimony for life. For this whole journey. Hey bro, nice trade today. What is this? Perfect. Yo, timing that was perfect. Perfecto. Would you start to retrace here? Yeah, I never got my 10 pips, guys. I got like 8-ish, around 8 with my spread. So I'm not sure how your spreads were in that trade. If you had a 10, then congrats to you. I didn't get my 10. I just moved stops to break even though. Okay, so you got a chart going on here. What's this? GJ 15-minute time frame, close 8%, enter. Nice. You got better entry than me. A little bit. Yeah. This is on the 15, right? Oh no, you got this entry. I thought that was the early. Oh yeah, that's the same entry, on the same entry. Nice. Very close to my entries. Very close. And my entry's been hitting that trade. Yeah, I never got my 10 pips. Being real with you guys. On TradingView, it looks like it, but you know, with my my broker, I didn't get my 10 pips. So. But for those that close at 10, congrats. So yeah, so the hourly closes in 2 minutes here, and in 2 minutes here, look, we're closing bearish now, right? So if you're looking for a buy still with this, it's not that like it's gonna close doji. I mean, not the ideal closure I want, but the thing is, it's still gonna close above this resistance. The 1530 are all both still gonna close above that resistance, right? But if you're looking for buys now, it's gonna be a whole completely different trade setup. Completely different trade setup, I'll say. It gets a bit messy here though. Would you say the decent win rate for scalping? It depends though. It depends what you see as scalping though. People see scalping as like hyper trading, hyper scalping. Like they're entering like 20 positions a day, right? Like I only enter 1 or 2 trades a day, 3 sometimes, 4 an algo that is. But it depends. It depends. But I'll say 8% plus. Like for anything though, for any strategy out there, scalping or swing trading, you should have a strategy or method, whatever you want to call it, that has like an 80% win ratio, right? Or somewhere around that range. You wouldn't want to enter a trade setup that has like a 50% win ratio, but it takes time to figure that out, right? It takes time to figure that sample size out and get all those things sorted out. Okay, it's not bad. I get that deal, right? Because I've been there before. I've seen this before. I've seen the favors. I've seen all this. Yeah, I guess to bounce off the 23.6 retracement. Yeah, I came out 61, right? Yeah, makes sense. LA Wave, yeah. See, like I've seen this before. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Enter after, you know. Yeah. I think this is a 15, right? I mean, yeah, you could say that. if you look at it though, right? If I can help you out here, look what happened here. I mean, it's a very messy area, but overall, like that fib was just a support being created. That's the price that you bought off at the 23.8 retracement was just a support on the minor time frame, on a 15-minute time frame, right? But I was. The thing about that is, the thing about those entries is I'd rather wait for a closure. In this case, I'd rather have waited for this candle close and then enter off this candle. Although it would have been a later entry, it's just overall long term, it will probably be the safer entry, right? Because you're entering off a wick here with no type of confirmation at all whatsoever that we're creating support, except for the fact that it bounced off a fib, right? But once you get a closure, you don't need a fib for that. You can see this anywhere. You know if it's gonna bounce off the 61. You know if it's gonna bounce off the 23. You know if it's gonna bounce off the 38.2, right? That's the thing that fibs does to you though. Fibs can throw you off sometimes. So for those that got 10 pips in that trade, congrats for your spreads. I'm sure a lot of you guys got 10 pips. I didn't though. For some reason my spreads were like 1.5, 1.7 pips. Pips. Keep. Thanks for analysis. No worries. Very subjective. You can't put a number or percentage because risk managers are very subjective themselves. That is true. GG looks way better than yesterday. Yeah, it does. Trust me. It'll look a lot better in gold today too. Gold's gonna be the messy pair today when looking at GJ and gold. Trust me. GJ's gonna be a bit choppy. They control effects. No worries. Initially, when it retraced back down to my entry, I was going to close half, but I held it off as MAs were holding as support. Yeah. Oh, you got in over here. Okay, you got in over here. I think you got in over here. Yeah. It came down to, I guess you can say, retest area, right? But like overall, like, it was just a range. It was a nasty range here. It was okay. I took 9 pips and traded down for a day. Nice. Yeah. I was like, I think 2 pips away from my 10. I kind of got distracted by the whole interview. Yo, Andre, you watching it, bro?
Yeah.
Fuck, it's bad, right?
Nah, dude. It's not bad.
It's bad, right? Like I don't sound like I do on stream. I
Nah,
sound
dude, I'm
natural.
your boy. I would tell you, bro.
Alright, be real. It wasn't bad?
Yeah. No, I would roast your ass if it was bad. I'm your homeboy. I'm not.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
No. It's not that bad. Let me listen to it though.
Is it the podcast or start replay? What are you watching? Okay.
Podcast.
Fuck, man. Hey, London did close above that range from my message, just not on a 1 hour. Yeah. See, so the 1530 did, right? But if the 1 hour never did before, then you probably should wait for the 1 hour, right? Because if the 15 and 30 minute did before and it came back in before, then high chance it would do it again. Well, on a 1 hour time frame, it never did that yet. So that's why you wait probably for the 1 hour this time. The stronger time frame, right? The higher time frame in this case. Yeah, Alexandra's moderating now. Alexandra's helping people out in the chat. Came about 2-3 weeks ago. Good stuff. Appreciate that, Alexandra. Started at Premier's Go. Fuck. 1 hour start replay? Oh yeah, so she's thinking about a 1 hour start replay. Like I don't really like entering off of start replays off of doji candles, right? It's just very it's a very weak candle to go based off of. I mean, a doji technically is this. You can just kind of block it out because when this kind of opened up, it opened up right here and then it closed right here. Therefore, it did nothing. So So that's a nothing candle, pretty much. You can't just block it out and look at it like this from this perspective, right? I just haven't back tested that enough for me to be confident to be in a position looking at that, right? So I haven't like seen that too many times or entered off it before to have that confidence to be in this position. So like I don't enter it at all. I just can't stay out. But who knows? Maybe like, you know, a couple months, maybe that by the end of the year I'll figure that out. But this is something I'm still kind of working on, this specific doji and how I work with them. It'll take time though. At this point, I'm just figuring out small things to my strategy method, whatever you want to call it, right? I figured out the base, everything, but now it comes to just the little stuff that I haven't really figured out yet. Like I have an idea for it, but I haven't I haven't seen it too many times to have a decent sample size. See like the percentages on that type of setup or not, right? You guys probably like, whoa, do you go through all that? Why don't you just enter the position and just try it? This is what it takes, you know. Takes a lot of time. Yeah, gold is looking pretty trash today. Pretty trash. Look, the 15 closed bearish at resistance. Kind of like a fake out here, back in the range. I have a very minor one though. The hourly is still open, but we didn't break the highs. High chance it has to continue down here to tap the support again. So like, there's no buys. Like, me personally, I wouldn't enter a buy in this case again. It just doesn't make sense anymore. But again, like today might be just a very sluggish day, or tomorrow's NFT, because tomorrow's gonna be volatile, I'm assuming.
Bro, I think it sounds good.
Nah, no way, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? I'm not gonna roast you, bro? I'm your boy. I'm the only person that can roast you and get away with it, right? Like,
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I would tell you. No, honestly, like it seems fluid. It's hard to listen. You know, I'm like in the middle of like 3 different things right now, so I'm gonna go back and I'm sure we'll listen to it later. But from what I heard, I listened to like 10 minutes of it. You sound normal. Like, he asked you like how you started trading. You started talking about it. He talked about how you got your name. There was like no hesitation or anything like that. Like, it seemed good.
That's funny. Different types of forex traders, broker edition. Hey, I don't think anyone has made this video before, you guys. Chat. Do you guys watch this? This is a funny video. It's a forex traders, broker edition. If this is your broker, you definitely came from iMarkets Live and you have an ATM emoji in your Instagram bio. One of my favorite brokers. You're probably a scalper though. Ooh, if this is your broker, you definitely live in the UK. You were probably in iMarkets Live at one point, but now you own a McLaren. A person who owns this broker is probably the neatest person you met in your life. We all know this one. This guy probably only trades the news and he goes full margin each and every single trade. This is the broker that trades the news, I swear. Every like, no. I've seen so many times on Instagram page, on YouTube, sorry, those videos, and they all use this broker, XM. I just had to relate to it. That doji can't throw me off. What you do have though, you might not have the 1 hour starter play, but you have the 15-minute starter play, which looks a bit nicer and cleaner since it did close decently strong bearish. With a break of that high, that's a potential opportunity. I mean, that is a 1 hour starter play too. Same shit, right? Same candle high. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Personally, I want to wait for this 1 hour close. See how we price reacts here. I want to see if we close above 149,600 or below 149,600. Yo, TQ bangs. Funny. I gotta make a thing. What broker do you use? I use Blueberry Markets. The spreads are decent, but sometimes are trash. Blueberry Markets. That sounds funny, man. That's a weird name for a broker. But I use Tradesman. Spreads are like right now in GG. Let me check. Spreads are 1.2 pips, 1.3 pips. It ranges from like 1.1 to 1.4 ish. For gold right now, it's around 3 pips. But it's usually like lower than that. It's usually like 2 pips, but yeah. It depends though. Like you gotta choose an ECN account. You gotta figure out a broker that has an ECN account so you can be able to have smaller spreads, right? Obviously it's higher commissions, but it's more worth it if you're scalping. Whereas if you're swing trading, you know, you don't really need spreads. It's irrelevant. Like you can live with a 5 pip spread, or if you're swing trading. Hey Indy, what's up, man? What's going on? QLT Forest Q. So, hey, shout out to Q Banks, man. Man. Well, looks like it wants to push up here. Probably not though. What's gonna happen here is we're probably gonna come to the top of the range again and then start to reject again. I honestly don't believe we're gonna break out of the range. If we do break, the only thing I would take today, I'll consider taking, is if we actually get a break out of the range here, and then we close back inside the range. That's the only thing I'll consider taking. Let's say we close out like this. It looks like it wants to push up towards, looking left, right, towards that resistance like this. But instead, it decides not to, and it comes back in the range like so. If it closes back in the range, I'm willing to take a sell once it closes back, and then, you know, expect price to continue down to fill the range. This range is not bad at all. And hold runners coming down to 1700. I think this will make perfect sense if this is where we're gonna be headed today. A fake out to the upside before coming down. Support and resistance trading. You can call it that, I guess. I mean, Dash is what I have in the screens, right? Support resistance. You can say support resistance plus candle. Green candles. Green candles backwards. You know. Slow day today? I believe so. Not in GJ, but for gold, 100% slow day. Unless we get some volume coming in at 8 AM. The NY open. Also, who here traded yesterday? I know you guys were on my stream yesterday. We were on there for 4 hours. But who took a trade after? Because I didn't take a single trade that day. Go 14 pip loss. Is that just now?
Yes, sir. Well, not like 15 minutes ago.
Well, that's why I didn't say GJ. Joking.
It was after it was after GJ.
It was after. Wait. How'd you get an entry? 15 minutes started play that same time. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, if this is blocked. Okay, yeah, sell stops here. So you had coming down to the range. Okay. What time was this at? 45 or 30? This is at 7 AM. Okay, 45 candle then.
Yeah, 7 AM.
Other 1 hour close. Bullish. 30-minute 1 hour both close bullish there. Ooh. 1 hour. 4 hours bearish though. Yeah, I think the issue there was just, I think it was just the 1 hour and 30 minute that closed bullish. Because 30 minute can't close above the range, like not really. But it can't close above the range, still respecting that resistance or support. And then I think the next hourly also closed bullish too.
See how they were both like super weak? I don't know. I noticed that both of these candles were like. Oops, go back on the hour for me. Yeah, the hourly. Like I noticed this candle closed like that, and then at the same time as we broke those lows, we were flipping on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. 14 pip stop loss. It's okay. First trade of the day. I'll take it.
It's not bad. I mean, I get the position. It makes sense. Makes sense. Small loss, stop, staying out of the range for the rest of the session. I'm taking sells moving forward today. Yeah, the sells is a great idea though. Like I'll take a trade. If I just saw the 15 minute, but if I saw the hourly 30, I don't know. It wasn't bad though. It wasn't bad. Yeah.
You gotta post your losses when you take them. It's all part of it.
Or people are just afraid to look at their losses. Like they make a chart for it. They make a chart for the wins only, and they don't want to make charts for the losses.
That's why I sent it in.
Yeah.
Yesterday I came on and I took 3 trades, didn't lose one on the stream. Everything was hunky dory, right? Like everything was good, you know. But like I take losses as well. That was a perfect example. But I'll probably take that same thing again, even with hourly like that.
Making thousands. On comment making thousands. What's this? 2 trades today. GJ buys and gold buys. Done for a day. Thank you, Wash. What? It's 7:20 p.m. Sharif. Thank you. You're hopping off already? This guy took two positions. Oh, you had a London session. That's why. You're from the UK, mate. You use IC markets, don't you? Yeah, Indu, come on. Like we talk about starter play every single day of my life. Come on. Where's Carlos today? Carlos is working. He has he's like, thing about him is he's actually pretty flexible. Honestly, he can do 2 things at once. But he works and he's on live streams on the side, so He works from home though. He works from a computer, so he's just video chatting on both screens. So, that's what it is. He'll be here in like soon. I'm gonna leave him a message saying that you guys miss him.
Call his ass right now.
Yeah, call him. Like a stock accelerator. Yeah, stock accelerator. God, you're funny, man. What would a better idea? Entering 2 positions on 1 trade, both 1% risk, leave 1 runner, or 1 position 2% risk, and close a certain rest of break even. The same shit, no? It's both 2% risk. Then you're taking 2 trades on 1% risk, times 2, and then you take 1 position on 2% risk. That's the same thing, right? Yeah, it's the same thing. I mean, or say risk 2%. I mean, it's whatever you prefer, honestly. Like, I risk 1 to 2% depending on the trade, and I close half at 10 pips. Sometimes I close full at 10 pips, depending on how I feel about the trade and how I feel about the ranges and the volume coming in within that trade, right? So, kind of depends. As long as you're managing risk, though, as long as you're, you know, managing your stops, moving your stops to break even, doing all that stuff, that's all that matters. The rest might be a bit hard right now to determine. It depends on your style of trading and how you are, but you'll figure it out eventually. With what, honestly, with what you do every day in the markets, right? You figure out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. The salary replay? It is a salary replay though. It's a seller replay. Come on. Oh, look at this. So now you have the 15-minute candle closing above this resistance. We close above this resistance for 1, right? So we're breaking above resistance on the 15, but you also have the 30-minute starter play too, or sorry, 1 hour starter play, which was what I was kind of not willing to take, right? Because it was a doji candle that was, you know, I'd rather have a strong bearish candle like this, a decent bearish candle, and take the starter play going up. That'll be my trade. So I'm probably gonna stay out of this one, to be honest with you guys. Probably gonna stay out. Kind of unfortunate that we hit our break evens, but that's fine. Organic trading. Thank you, Control FX. No worries, David. Dom, my charts are being blocked. Can you help? Is it because you're sending the full links? Hey, Zerx, show them how to send a chart. Exclamation point charts. Exclamation point charts. You get a how to send charts thing. Any go trades? To be honest, man, I'm looking for sells below 1707. Right now, we're just in this range here, and I don't think today's to be a bit rangier than yesterday, obviously. And I don't know. I think tomorrow's be a lot more volatile with NFP. Today's gonna be a bit slow for gold, I believe. The only thing I'm looking for though is, I explained it earlier, we have a range here from here to here. This is the range. We haven't broken out yet. I'll say if we get a closure above the range here, I wouldn't look for buys. I'll avoid the buys. What I'll do is I'll wait for a bearish candle coming back in the range. But once this happens, so not yellow candle. Once this happens, I'm looking for positions here. If you don't want to take that entry because you think it's a bit too aggressive, then I'll wait for a breakout. You know, I'll wait for price to fill the range because this is what I'm expecting. And then once you get a closure below, this is when you'll take the sells. Your entry could be either here, this candle entry, stop loss period kind of high, or entry here, entry here, and then you're expecting the next candle to continue down to fill the rest of the range, right? That's what you're expecting today. Because the thing is, I don't expect volume, just because by the way things look, but I think we're picking up volume right now. But the day candle did close below the range yesterday. If we go in the day time frame, we close below the support here, right? So high chance today, we have a high chance to continue down to fill the rest of the range, which I believe is 1700, which is our target. Or no, sorry, not 1700. I think our target is goes below there. Yeah, 1700. 1700 or this amount of resistance over here at 1685. Yo, DXB, we live stream every day, but I know, you know, you're probably not gonna watch, you might not have time to watch live streams all day and watch like 4-hour live streams, but as you tune to the live streams every day, you're starting to figure out what we can do every day in a strategy. But I do have like a short video coming on Trading Nut. It's like a 30-minute video explaining my strategy. But if you want like just clips of the trades that I take and a deal of my strategy, then go watch me. Go look at my Instagram page. We post our trades every day, post our results every day, and I also post like some charts, some breakdowns, and how I manage risks, like just helpful videos, how to create a bias using different time frames. Like this is my way of doing it. Why you stick to your bias, you know, stuff like this. When to cut your losses short and keep them small. Like this is so much value on the page. So check this out. There he is, people. What's your YouTube channel? Go sub. Oh, that's Murado. They're asking me. I'm like, huh? You're on a YouTube channel. Here. Thanks in advance. No worries, man. Thank you for staying in the chart in. Okay. Trade Sharp 99. Gold 15-minute time from here. Yeah, I like the idea. The idea makes perfect sense. I think this. I think the better sells though, like since there was a support before right here, and we broke below, and we came back in. I don't think this support's value anymore. I think you should move your support down a little bit to where the current support is, which is going to be right here, which is also the 1-hour support as well. So it's because this is the 15-minute time frame, right? If you go into 1-hour time frame, it's a bit different though. 1 hour is respected 1709 400. That's their support. On here it's 1709.600, right? So I'll say have it like around like it's either you have it below the 1-hour support right here, or 2 you have it below that 15-minute support where I have it pretty much. 7. That'll be a safer sells, right? Because last thing you want to do is take a sell as you break below this support and get held off of this support right here. It doesn't make any sense. It's like you dealt with one brick wall, and I gotta deal with another brick wall down here, right? Just wait for this one brick wall to break. Take your sells. But the idea is great. I love the bias. And I love the target. The target makes perfect sense here. You have clean traffic once you break below there to fill that range. Ooh, 30-minute close above the range.
Carlo is looking at these GJ buys.
Oh, he's looking at GJ today because gold's slow?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
He actually took that same trade as you. He said he got 9 pips.
Nice.
And then he didn't move his stops to breaks though. He went to the previous 15-minute low and got stopped.
Did he close half? No, right?
No.
Yeah. Yo, you finished editing that video yet or what? It's been like 5 weeks.
Oh my God, bro. So tough. Working 65, 70 hours a week. You know, you see my schedule. It's insane.
Yep.
And then like I rendered the entire like video, and I don't know what happened after I rendered it. It was like unrendered. I had to re-render it. It took like 2.5 hours to render the entire thing. I'll get there.
Premiere. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now, brother.
You work 60 to 70 hours a week?
Yeah, I have a fitness
That's
company here in
crazy.
New York that does in-home personal training. So between trading and all my clients and stuff, like I do like 12-hour days every day.
Oh, so do you just like count people macros and stuff and like guide them with like exercises?
Yeah, pretty much. 100%.
That's pretty
I trained
cool.
Don. That's why Don said he was sore this morning because he's been
Oh,
getting
wait, really?
workouts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you recommend users to take creatine or no? To gain
Definitely.
muscle mass?
Uh,
Definitely.
creatine monohydrate. Your body just
Yeah.
doesn't produce it as like the amount that you should really have naturally. So
Mhm.
creatine monohydrate, like 5 grams a day, which is like a teaspoon and tablespoon. I take it every day.
Because I work out too. Because I like in my own house, like I have a gym setup, right? So
Nice.
yeah, but like I was always like skeptical of creatine because like I know people who like this is probably like a myth, but like I know people who like take creatine and like they become like they like essentially lose hair. Like I'm unsure if that's like a genetic thing or
Is
if
it hair?
that's actually the case. Yeah, no, like the people actually like like the people I know, like they go bald through creatine. Like I don't
Are
know
they
if that's like a myth or like a genetic thing, but
Yeah, sounds like a genetic thing. I mean, I know a lot of people that take creatine. I know a lot of people that are on testosterone that lose their hair.
mhm.
There's if you're on gear, steroids. Oh shit!
Is that Siri?
You guys hear? Yeah. My Siri,
Yeah.
my home blob. I don't know what's home. Those big Apple Home things. She's always butting into my conversations.
Don, train that video is good. You sound knowledgeable. Yeah, I guess so, man. Fuck. I feel like the things I wanted to say didn't come out the way I wanted to come out. The way I
Why, were
kinda
you nervous?
projected. Yes, man. I shit my pants. That was my first. Like I was.
Mhm.
It was like worse than being in a drawdown trade for like gold or something. You know, like I'd rather be in a drawdown trade of like 10
No
pips
way.
on gold with a 10 lot, with a 5 lot, than be in that podcast. I was shit my pants. But the part after that where I had to like break down my charts, it was like fluid, natural, like the wind, like just whoo, I was breezing through it. Like when you guys watch the video, you guys gonna be like, wow, that's an amazing strategy breakdown video. Not this one though, not the Star Replay one. The Star Replay was alright. I was a little nervous, but the one after that was like, come on later. Team character for years, not a problem at all. Next thing you know, this guy wakes up tomorrow, loses all his hair.
No, dead ass. Like I don't know. Like I kept reading like a bunch of like scientific articles about it and stuff because I was kind of skeptical.
The average male loses their hair at some point in their life. Like it's just like genetically the way we're predisposed. Kind of like how women have wider hips to give birth.
Yeah.
Same thing with men losing their hair. I mean, it's gonna happen. I'm pretty fortunate. I'm super Italian. I got thick hair and I'm not losing my hair at all. But I have a couple friends that have got on, like testosterone and done different forms of gear, whether it's like Winstrol or something like that. And when you mess with your hormone levels and your estrogen goes up a lot, then you can start losing your hair for sure.
Wait, do you have like you know how you said like you train people and stuff? Do you have like a kin degree or something?
Yeah. I have a bachelor's in science and kinesiology.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yeah. Yep.
So that's what you basically did after your undergrad? Like you didn't like do like a master's or like any of that?
I was a fitness director for a gym in upstate New York for about 4 years. I had like 18 contractual employees that taught fitness classes under me. that I would like write vouchers for and pay out on a regular basis. And I was sick and tired of like being a big fish in a small pond. So
Yeah.
quit my corporate job, started my own company, and it was awesome. Best
very
thing I
cool.
ever did for myself.
And
Yeah.
now you work for yourself.
Yep.
Wait, so after
So-
undergrad, like, did you just find like a job right away after undergrad?
I actually worked at that gym that I became a fitness director at for.
Oh, okay.
I was a trainer there, and then when I got my degree, I became the head trainer and ran all the different classes.
Yo, 30 minute count me a bong wait for the bullish now. Close love.
Uh,
I'm a bit skeptical about something here. I'm a bit skeptical. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like I'm not taking this trade here. I'm gonna stay out. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour closure and see how price reacts here. But I'm a bit skeptical. I preferably want a closure above like 149.735 here on the 1 hour time frame to be ideal. We got 22 minutes left. I'll wait for that. If you want to jump the gun early, go ahead, jump the gun, but just be a bit cautious. There is some minor resistance right here. Minor, very minor, but that minor could turn to a major problem in your account. Cause we took that first trade, right? So I mean, if you guys got 10 pips in that trade, congrats. My broker, man, my broker. So be cautious. And also, tomorrow, guys, trust me, tomorrow's gonna be a lot more volatile. Today is not too promising, if I'm being honest with you guys. Unless we get a fake on gold here, which I want. 20 minutes for closes above. Can't wait for that to happen.
That's what I
we
want
get
as well.
the next 1 hour candle at 9 a.m. to continue down. And 9:30 will be around here. 10 a.m. will be down here. It's a day. But what time is it? 7:38. Oh, Carl's not here. I was gonna say someone wanna take over. You wanna take over, Pirado?
You gotta go make oatmeal?
Yeah, for like quick 5 minutes max tops.
Yeah, do your thing.
Alright,
What are you
guys.
gonna leave me on? The 15 minute on or 30 on GJ?
I mean, what do you want? What do you want to look on? 30 looks the cleanest right now.
Yeah, leave it on the 30.
Like this. You want traffic here?
Yeah, a little bit of traffic,
Right
a little
there,
bit wider.
Oh, a little wider. You like your charts like this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
no, I space it out. Cool.
Alright.
Ciao. Like, are you a full-time trader or no?
I'm actually a trader, and I'm like a student. I'm a pharmacy student actually.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so essentially, I guess like using trading to pay off tuition because tuition's like pretty pricey, right? So
Oh yeah, definitely.
really pricey. Wait, what school did you go to?
I went to Brockport.
Oh, wait,
SUNY school?
wait? This is wait, you're from New York, right?
Yeah, upstate.
You I'm pretty sure you heard the school NYU.
Yep.
NYU. Yeah, I'm trying to go there for my what's it called? Like they have like a joint MBA with science. Like I want to go there, but like it's so pricey.
Yeah.
Like I don't know. Like I was comparing like tuition fees in Canada compared to America. And, like undergrad tuition fee is really pricey. Like it's crazy.
You're from Canada?
I'm literally like 30 minutes away from Don's house. Like literally.
That's awesome. Nice.
Yeah, like
nice.
me and him went to the same high school.
Oh shit, that's cool.
Yeah,
That's cool.
same
That's
high
cool.
school, same graduating class. Yeah.
Nice. That's cool.
So,
Yeah, you guys are about like
20.
2.5 hours away from where I'm at in upstate. You guys are pretty close to me.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Have you been to Toronto before?
Yeah, definitely. Love Toronto. I did a
Like,
lot of
what-
traveling.
Oh really?
For,
Okay.
Yeah, for like the past like after I left my job and
Mhm.
started doing well with my business, I started traveling a lot, and so I was doing like New York City once a month. I was doing Boston once a month. I was doing Philly once a month. Philly's my spot. Love Philly. Love big cities. Love Toronto. I've been to Montreal a couple times.
Montreal's pretty nice. Oh yeah, I have one quick question about working out. So
Go
like
ahead, man. It's slow right now.
pardon me?
I said it's slow right now. Go ahead.
Oh yeah. So like before quarantine, like I was like around like 140, right? But like after like during quarantine, like I was able to like bulk up basically to like 160, 165. But like I'm like 5'11", like 160 right now, right? Do you think I should still bulk up, or like do you think I should start shredding? Because I'm basically 160 lean right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's all dependent upon your goals. You know, I would probably like have like some other measurement of like your fat-free mass or like your body mass index. I always don't go by the scale. I try and like tell my clients to use the scale minimally. Like if you want to use the scale, use it once in a while, but don't use that as a
Which one, the
gauge.
weight scale or?
Yeah, yep, just like a weight scale. But if you wanted to, like, if you just type in skin caliper measurement on YouTube, it's really simple. You can order one off Amazon for like 15 bucks. And that will help you calculate your fat-free mass index of your body. So you can say, okay, I'm at 13% body fat right now, and I'm 160 pounds at 5'11". I want to stay there. Real quick, anyone that's in these GJ buys, we're pushing the top of that wick right now. If I were you, I'd probably put my stops to current candle high. So your stops are only 3.4 pips, and you should be like 6 pips in profit, 5.5 pips in profit. Yeah, man. So it's all dependent, like if your goals are to be 175 pounds at like 13-14% body fat, sounds like you got some more work to do. But if you want to be like 155 pounds at like that 13-14% body fat, then you got to maybe maintain right now and change up your diet. It's all personal preference of what, how you feel good. I know some people that like, they feel real good when they're a little bit heavier, when they're around 14-15%, and other people are like, they want to be shredded. I know there's like a lot of dudes, they want a 6-pack.
Yeah, no, it's really hard. One thing I realized is it's really hard to like get like a defined lower abs, you know what I mean? Like for well, at least for like me, or like, because like the top 4 is like fairly easy to get, but like the bottom, it's just so hard to get it defined for some reason. I don't know why. Like I don't know why I need to change up my diet, or
I'll send my Instagram handle in the Zoom chat, and then if you want, you can message me on there, and then I actually can send you some things, some lower body, some lower ab exercises that I give to people to use.
Perfect, thank you. But like it mostly comes down to diet, right? Basically.
Yeah, ab. You've heard the expression, the abs are made in the kitchen.
Yeah.
That's primarily true. Like I tell a lot of people that want abs, quote unquote, it's like, are you willing to, hit that like 11 to 12% body fat and maintain that? Because it's not easy. You really have to be conscientious.
Hard. Yeah.
Boys, I'm back. I got my oatmeal.
He's back.
Look what I got.
Oatmeal with peanut butter or what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Peanut butter, some strawberries.
Nice, bro.
Deliciosos. That's on camera. Listen to talk. I'm just eating, real quick.
Oh, look at GJ.
Oh,
going up.
Yeah. 30-minute close above. Came out for the wick. Yeah. I'll say once you get this hourly candle closure, I'll willing to take my position going up for the Ranger. Should be clean. 1 hour breaking the highs there. 15 minutes left, guys. I'm hoping for a pullback though. A decent pullback. Like a wick closing. What would you say?
For without a 6-pack, we were like.
He knows no one has a 6-pack. Yo, Lock, so you still trade every day? Or no?
Bro, of course, yeah, of course. Even even when the time when like I went MIA, like I was still trading on my own time basically.
How about school?
Oh, school's pretty good. It's still good. It's just, yo, do you remember that summer where like I was doing summer classes and I had like basically 4 classes?
Yeah. Master stress.
So it feels so messed up. Like I had like literally like a midterm every other day. But now basically now this summer, instead of doing classes, I'm gonna be doing research. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, but isn't that stressful?
Bro, it's like so stressful, man. Like I don't know. Like right now, bro, right now I'm like doing 7 classes. Like it's actually messed up.
7?
Yeah, I have a course overload. It's crazy. Yeah, no, because normally uni students are like supposed to do like 5 classes, but like right now I'm doing a class overload because like I'm just trying to graduate early. Like I'm trying to dip, bro.
Isn't it your 4th year or 3rd?
Third.
Oh.
I'm in 3rd year, but like I guess you could say time wise I'm basically in 4th year because I took summer classes, so I'm ahead.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't do an extra year. I'm just ahead basically like a year because I did summer school.
Nah,
right? Every year.
It's crazy to think we graduated like 3 years ago, almost 4.
Yo, that's what I'm
From
saying.
high school.
Yeah. Yo, Sham was so fun.
Here's something crazy, bro. I
Yeah.
graduated from college like 6 years ago.
Holy shit.
That's crazy.
Yeah, right? Oh my
I
god.
wonder how you looked. Were you D's?
What's up? What's up?
Were you D's back then? Or no?
Was I Diesel back then?
Like D's, like
D's.
jacked.
Like big.
Yeah,
Buff.
yeah. I was Don. I'll send you a picture of when I was at my biggest. I looked like a monster. Like my face was all puffy.
Oh
Mm.
shit. Steroids?
Nah. No.
I was watching guys yesterday taking steroids. Yo, that's crazy how they look. Like
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Wait, Don, do you have a gym at home or something? Like a bench and stuff?
Not yet. I haven't got my bench yet. I haven't got my weights yet because everything's like sold out.
Bro, weights are so expensive.
There's resale
Like,
value on Kijiji, bro.
Yeah, I know. No, I buy my weights on I bought my weights on what's that store in New York? I forgot.
A fitness store.
Yeah, bro, it's like literally like $1.50 to like $2 per like pound. Like it's
pound,
crazy.
yeah.
It's so expensive, bro. And the bench cost me like $3. I don't know if I got finessed that deal.
Nah, 300 for a bench is not bad, but you can probably get a
Yeah, it's
cheap
not
one for
bad.
200.
Yeah.
It's not bad though. How long have you been trading? How long have you become profitable? Oh, I love this question. I get it every single day of my life. I've been trading for around almost 3 years now. Almost 3 years, and I've been a full-time trader since October of 2019. Was it 2020? 2019? Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's when I left my job. I actually have a note still that I don't know where it went. I had a note on my phone, I think. Let me go see if it's still there. I left my work. I should have saved it. Hold on. Oh, man. Oh, right here. Perfect. I can't give you guys details, but I'd like to inform you my intention to resign from effective 2 weeks from now, September 29, 2019. I have it saved that day. I'm gonna screenshot it actually. Wish you and company all the best. Thank you, Donvo. Yeah. Bro, I did. That's the birthday number to giving y'all free education in the group chat. Who, Quan Lee? You? Wait, you're Oh yeah, you hit me up on Telegram already. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're in a thing. What's this? Hey, we have like 8 minutes left, guys. 8 minutes left for this account closure. I'm not doing shit until then, so I'm gonna eat my food. So if I'm quiet for 8 minutes, I'm still here. Yeah, someone just, you guys are just talking stuff in the back. Oh, actually, hey, someone sent a chart. Do you guys want to break it down for him, for Idol? On how you feel about the chart?
Is that it right there?
Nah, this one. Go ahead.
My man sends a chart every day. Every day. You know what? I like that you send a chart every day. And only look for sells at this level, 149, 140. Okay. So this basically, you're just saying that this is your support right here. What do these little circles mean? That we've tapped that?
Yeah, levels that is tapped for to create that support, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the ice, the ice lines, EMA, SMAs. Let's have here 16 pips leaves runner for TP. So I guess when I'm a little confused is this your entry right here? Like when price gets here is where you're going to enter once you break above this resistance, or is buys if we break through? Okay. You know what? I mean, this is just my personal opinion. If we break through here and you take buys, stop loss here 15 pips, I would probably have my stop loss on some type of candle rather than having it just as a number of 15 pips, right? So if this candle right here is 10 pips, then you know this is going to be my stop loss at the bottom here of this candle, like Don just drew out, rather than having I guess a set number.
Yeah, because like if you have a set number, it can be anything, right? It could be whatever, and it wouldn't make sense if your low is here and your stop loss is in the middle of a candle. It just doesn't make sense. I'll wait for a candle to close and determine that to be my stop loss, because we know if price were to break that low, it'll continue to come down. That's what you're trying to say there.
Is this a 16 pip range? Is that what this is right here?
Mm-hmm.
And then what's this line up here? Is this your next resistance?
Mm-hmm.
I think you should just keep on sending in your charts and just keep on getting more and more detailed with the way you break them down.
This is a decent chart though.
Yeah.
The deals are great. Buys above there, sells above, it's amazing. Yeah, I just think you should wait for a closure, you know, to determine a trade at least. Carlos like, you fucked up. Start with check this out. Hey, if it's 1 hour candle closes bullish here, I'm taking a position. If we close, like, you know, right here would be perfect. Closure above here, I'm taking buys going up to fill the rest of the range. We got our first entry in, hit breaks, so I'm just gonna take this once we break above this resistance here. Minor resistance level you have here. There's gonna close bullish, 15's gonna close bullish above the ranges, should be fine.
You gonna use 1 hour as your stops?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah. This is a good entry too, wow. I was just a bit skeptical about this, just a bit looking left, but that would be your 10 pips. And then got runners now. Man, that first entry was so clean. How did it hit my brakes? Break evens. Where's my entry there? My entry was the starter play, so this is my entry. Came up, came down. Oh yeah, it came down to flip bearish at one point, and then it came back up. That's weird. Yeah, it doesn't happen quite often. And this is the candle, and then next candle came up, closed above, and boom, continuation. Alright, chat, I'm eating my food, man. Shit, I keep coming back to this.
Yo,
Yo.
bruh, is it me or did TD log people out? Or is that this? Because I just opened my PC and it said that gave me this error message and then like it signed me out. I'm like, wait, what?
I'm still logged in my account.
Let's see.
You got hacked, my friend. Change your password now.
Oh no.
Change your password now. You probably got hacked or something.
Oh. Does that happen?
Well, if you have like a, if someone's like very evil, yeah, it can happen.
Shit.
No, but like you only get hacked if like they know your password, man. Jimmy, don't tell me your password is Jimmy12345, man.
God damn it. See? Why you gotta say my password out loud like that? See?
Yeah.
Now they got it twice. Fuck! God damn it!
Nah, check your shit, man, cause that's your capital, no?
Yeah, that's my chip. Mi plata. You don't play with mi plata, puta. Let's look at my Gmail.
Do you watch anime? I used to when I was a little kid. I don't have the love for anime no more. Sorry to tell you guys.
I only watched one anime. Attack on Titan. That's it. That's the only one I can really get into again. Jeez.
Okay, now you have the 4 hour break in the high. You have the 4 hour break in the highs here. 1 hour flip bullish here. How big are stops? 18 pips for 20.
It's a big stop.
$18 pips for 20. It closed a bit too above where I kind of wanted it to. Like I said, I got to leave right here around that range. Close a bit too above. I want a steeper wick to the bottom before we continue up. A steeper wick. Because I don't know. I don't know if I'll be comfortable in this position here. You know. The deal makes sense though. The buys make sense. As long as you're not selling today, you should have an ideal direction of where price is going, probably, right? But entries right here. I'm waiting for a steeper wick. If we come down again, create a wick like somewhere around here, and we flip bullish again, that'll be the buy I'll take on this current 1 hour candle. So I'll stay
I
all this.
wonder if Carlo got in on that 4-hour celery play on gold. He said he had buy stops there.
Carlo, join a Zoom call, man. Come on.
Came up 15 pips. So I guess if you got in, he probably locked in 15. Secure 68. Break even. Nice. Oh, look at, I didn't even see the chat. He literally just said it.
Yeah, yo, as you guys go on the streams more often, you guys can see I'm very picky, and with my setups, like I'm not just entering around trades, right? Like I'm very like, I need everything to kind of align pretty much. Like the first trade I took today, everything aligned, I took it. But this trade, everything aligns except for the fact that the range here, the weight count came up, the range, you know, because again, like look left here, we kind of dealt with a very minor resistance here as well in the past. But we did eventually come to fill the range before we pretty much came to fill this range at least before coming back down to close bearish at least, right? So, I mean, this range should get filled here. The entry here, just I want a steeper wick here, to be honest with you guys. But if our break even didn't hit here, then we'll still be in. We'll probably be in right now. Break even still. Don, where you from? I'm from Canada. Canada, my friend.
Canada, huh?
Toronto, Canada, man. You watched the podcast, Jimmy?
Yeah, I was watching it at the gym.
Oh yeah, you went to the gym today? Sick.
Finally, bro. Freaking my leg was irking me these couple of days. Hold on. I'm gonna be right restart this.
Guys, so I know gold's going looks like it wants to push up here, right? The 4 hour and everything. It does make sense on a 4 hour time frame perspective where you have like a break of the steady play here continue to go up. But remember how prices overall the trend is still bearish here? If we are able to push up, now I think we can push up towards like this resistance here. That's a logical target you can probably tap. 728. But what I'm expecting here, what I want here is I want a 1 hour fake out back in the range. So you know, we had a resistance here. Let's go to 30 actually. Let's go on to 1 hour. So we had like a resistance here, right? What I wanted was a closure above this resistance, and then once it's either we close above, which we didn't close above this time though. We closed right at resistance. So now what I want price to see. I want to see a price able to push down here, and to break the previous kind of lows, like so. If we break this low, I believe high chance we can look to continue down. Minimum towards the support, but overall, what I'm looking for is looking for a range to get filled here. This whole range to get filled, right? Something like this, or something like this, at least. That's the wick, and then next count comes down, fill the rest of the range, and then we continue back to the downside. Right? Because remember, the 4 hour did break the 4 hour highs, but the 1 hour candle is still respecting this resistance here. It's still at the top of the range. So be very cautious. Oh, where am I from? Oh, Vietnamese. I'm Vietnamese. Hey, Skyline Trading, you fit. You can't say those words on the stream, man. Yeah, gold is doing kind of what I expect to say, not too much volatility. Coming to the session, I honestly thought London will break out in London because before I went to bed yesterday, I saw this. Where is it? I saw 11 a.m. I was around. I saw this, right? It looked like we're gonna close below, but then this kind of closed bullish after, so I'm like, oh, okay, well, guess we're now breaking low support when I woke up. Yeah, price came here, came down, try to come down, try to break below, 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 like 5 times past like 24 hours, right? And we never broke below. So again, you're gonna need a closure below to determine if we're gonna break support or not. Range is around 9 pips, it's not bad. Ooh, or maybe we could close bearish on the first 15-minute candle, and then you have a 15-minute start play here to continue up. That'll be ideal. That'll be the setup I'll be comfortable be in. That's gonna be the current candle low, the current 1 hour lows, and then continue up towards this resistance there for 16 pips. I was born in Italy, lived here for 15 years, then moved here 5-6 years ago, but my parents from Sri Lanka, so kind of over the place, I guess. I wonder your name, so different, so unique. Hey, who has used House Party before? Sorry, not House Party. Clubhouse. I was gonna say House Party. That's an old app. Who's used that before? I tried to download but can't find it. Yeah, I think Clubhouse is like the first app out there that just has full audio. Like, you know, Instagram has pictures, videos. Snapchat is just sending videos, pictures. Twitter, I think Twitter started to do it too. They have a little audio now, but like audio, a chat room audio. No, like, you know, you don't gotta show a video. You can't comment. You can't, like, you know, it's just pure talk. I think it's great because it forces people to actually interact with each other without having to hide behind a text screen and putting emojis and replying, you know. So I'm thinking of doing like opening a room like for Forex talk, or talk about just trading in general. But let's see. But again, invite, I don't know. I got invited by my friend. Well, my girl's sister. Never heard of Clubhouse, to be honest. Yeah, it's new. It's definitely new. It's up there with TikTok this year. Not completely up there, obviously, but it's gonna get there for sure. Holy shoot, that's your full name? Man, your first name is longer than my full name. Indu. Matter of fact, the short version of your name, Indu, is longer than my actual first name. Like audio lashing. Yeah, it's like an audio lashing is great. You need an invite. I don't know how to do that, man. You gotta have like contacts. Like I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. The next biggest app platform? Yeah, I believe so. I believe it's gonna be up there. It's gonna be up there with like Instagram soon. Hey, Andre, you got on TikTok here or what, man? Come on.
Nah,
I'm telling you, your stuff will blow
Not yet.
up, man. Or you will blow.
I know I need to.
You make a short video like, oh, my breakfast, and do like the little oatmeal pour, the little, you know, strawberries, chop it up.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know,
yeah.
Like, that stuff, people like that stuff. It's weird. Even Brad Pitt was on there the other day talking about global warming. Yeah. Gary Vee is on there. I mean, that's how I heard about it. Gary Vee, he's on there a lot too. I think it's gonna be part of Twitch. Really? Yeah. I mean, I like Twitch. I really do. But yeah, cause Twitch has a just chatting thing, right? But you gotta like be there at your desktop or be there, you know, to really see what they're doing and hear about what they're talking about. Whereas on Clubhouse, you can just listen. I kinda want this 15-minute close bearish here. Preferably, I want a 15-minute bearish candle and then buy ourselves above this candle. A decent strong bearish, like something like this. Coming down to here, at least. Like usually on like non-algo days, you see me be more, you know, looking for more specific things. Whereas an algo day where there's tons more volume, you can kind of just, as long as you're following a trend pretty much, you have a pretty much 80% win rate. Pretty much, like, you know. But today's not that day though. Today is more of just, you know, yeah, wait for your confirmations, your full confirmation, everything to align. I see you in a train nut video. Yeah, it's up. Hey, how long is that podcast, by the way? I didn't check. That thing was like 4 or 5 minutes, 30. Oh, 38 minutes. Not too shabby.
Why? My boy sound nervous.
Bro, I was shitting my pants the whole interview. I don't know why.
Oh man.
I was thinking too much of
Oh,
it.
your video comes out at 12. The celery play.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
That one.
my boy.
That's not even the one though. I want the other one to come out. That's to come in a couple weeks. He said.
I'm dead. This man, the picture that he dropped for the celery play, it said drew like a smiley face on it.
Yeah.
Hey, 38 minutes. Shit. I was quick 38 minutes though. I was like, wait, there's more. It gotta be more.
Nah, I was.
Fuck all this talking shit. Let's go on the charts. Alright, this is weird. I ain't never had this problem before.
Hey, but I swear on what's it called? Clubhouse. I swear only one person can talk at a time.
Yeah. Just one last one.
Hey, wait a second. I hear my background. Yeah, beat that. You have Clubhouse, Jimmy?
Nah, I used it once and then I'm like, alright, this is kind of annoying because everyone's trying to be a somebody when they don't know what they're talking about.
I see. Yeah, but the cool thing about that is you can talk about plenty of things. And I feel like Twitch was more for gamers. So, I mean, there's a lot more gamers on there. But I think this app is more spreaded. Like, different topics, different interests that people have. Everything, honestly. They have NFT talk, they have forex talk, they have stock talk, they have life talk, they have like
Yeah.
X talk.
I'm
Like
down
they
to
have
download
everything
it
on there,
again.
man. Like
Yeah, I'm down to download it again. Yeah, pass the key, bro.
I don't know how to do that.
I think like everyone gets like 2-3 keys or whatever, and then
Yeah, I mean, I can imagine joining like a forex talk room. Like that's why I want to create one, because every time I join one, it's like, yeah, so I drew my fib out. I'm like, oh, I'm turning this off,
Oh,
man. I'm
no.
turning this off. That's the first thing I hear. I'm turning this off.
but no. It's this too.
No, or I join it and they'll be like, yeah, so I got paid the other day on Friday for my IBO and iMarkets Live. I'm like,
Whoa.
I'm hopping off.
No, I'm hopping off. This ain't my road. Let me teach y'all about the celery play real quick. As soon as Don opens the clubhouse, alright, I'm gonna tell y'all about celery play. Alright,
I can't.
listen.
There's no charts with me.
I thought you should. Oh, never mind. You can't. Shouldn't say it. I thought you could share screen so then you could teach it. Yeah, bro. I'm down.
What up, 9 Wicks? 9 Wicks, what's up? Lock character. What's going on?
Yo.
Let's unlock him. Give him 10 pips.
Oh, nice, perfect. 3 minute might close bear share for a starter play.
Ooh.
Let's hope it does.
And I know you liked that video yesterday. Tell me one tradesman's trader that's not a scalper. Tell me one. No, all scalpers.
Yeah, it's a scalper, bro. It's a scalper game, baby. Hey, bro, that last
like
one
it.
that you dropped, that should have you dead.
Different types of forex traders.
That's the
Broker
one we're talking
edition.
about.
If this is your broker, you definitely came from iMarkets Live, and you have an ATM emoji in your Instagram bio. One of my favorite
Said you
brokers.
came from
You're probably a
IML?
scalper though.
And you got a McLaren.
Ooh, if this is your broker, you definitely live in the UK. You were probably in iMarkets Live at one point, but now you own a McLaren. A person who owns this broker is probably the neatest person you met in your life. We all know this one. This guy probably only trades the news, and he goes full margin each and every single trade.
Oh,
But like,
hey, bro.
yo, I don't know what broker. Someone said FX Choice. I think their personality,
man.
the personality is more of the.
The swinger.
Yo, did you see Ted's live yesterday?
Bruh,
Yeah,
like,
I was talking to him about it. After.
that should have me dead. Porta potty.
Yo, Ted always got like these funny ass reactions.
No, he's just like very sarcastic, and his face is just always like straight, like.
Because he doesn't care like what you say. It's like it's not getting him riled up. The only time I've ever seen him get like a little bit like, you know, catch feelings and shit was when what's her name, the girl was there.
Oh yeah.
And she was like, man, you know you're ripping people out. He's like, what? How are you? Like, I don't have to prove that I'm legit. If you're accusing me of something, you gotta prove your accusation. Like, that's not how it works.
Yeah, Ted was just like Ted was dying inside. I know he was laughing inside the whole live stream. Like he was.
Right, the
Yeah, it's gotta
potty
frustrate
had
people
his-
The part-
his
Yeah, what?
his shed.
Oh yeah,
the
yeah.
shed,
yeah.
bruh. He was like, is that porta potty? I'm like, bruh, chill.
Dude, I was laughing so hard. I couldn't take it. When he showed his shed, I was like, oh my god. It
The
was
worst-
so cringy, dude.
Worst part was when the funniest part was when Ted was like, "So can't you just why building a shed? Can't you just bring a laptop outside, sit in the backyard?"
Yeah.
I'm like, he's like, yeah, well I could, but I want to build a man cave. I was dying. That was it.
Not even a man cave.
I don't understand why the dude feels like he needs validation from other people. Like, great, you need a man. Like, go
Yeah.
do you.
Yeah, like you have a great
What
strategy.
the fuck?
Like no one, you know, if people like it, they like it. They'll message you. That's what I told
Like-
Ted yesterday. And he's like, yeah, it's
You
good.
see, he's like hungry for attention, but like, if you ain't go bring some value, you get attention. But you know, you're either not valuable or toxic. One of the two. You know,
Yeah.
like you can have a shit ton of value also and like knowledge, but if your like attitude is toxic, like, you
You're gonna be on a deserted island, on a forex deserted island.
On a laundry machine.
I feel like he's screaming help, and everyone's just like, no, let's go the other way.
The comments during it, like if you read the comments during it, and then you would see Tin Man's reaction, like he would read a comment, he'd be like, "I'm not changing my name." Like, oh my god, people are so stupid here. Just like
It's so
he was getting
random. Like,
Yeah,
It was
way
so
to
funny,
bring,
dude.
way to bring support. Way to get people behind you. You are
Oh my
so
God, I was
dumb.
sorry.
Who's with me?
Nobody.
Anyways, back to DJ.
Remember, you ever seen that movie Half Baked?
No.
You never seen a movie with Chappelle, Half
I'm
Baked?
too young. I'm too young for that. I'm sorry.
I'm like 95. Yo,
I'm sorry. I'm too
watch
young.
Half Baked. You're gonna die laughing. I think it's
Is it
hilarious.
on Netflix or something?
Yo, his boy goes to quit his job. He's like, "Who's coming with me, man? Who's coming?" Like, not a single person goes with him. The
Dang.
girl's like, "I'll go."
Nice. She down to ride. You gotta have a girl like that. Yeah. Enough.
So he reminds me. He's like, "I'm quitting. Who's coming with me?"
Nobody. Nobody.
hey,
8 minutes.
8 minutes for his closure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, let's
30-minute close is 8 minutes. We get the bearish candle here. Hopefully a stronger candle. Creating that resistance. And then, once we get that break of the highs, that's the start play to continue up. I'll look for buys above that candle high towards the resistance. Oh shoot, I'm hopping off the charts, close 2% and still got a 30% runner to TP. Base I got 4% win day. Man, you eat every single day, man. Good shit. Take it easy, Jeffrey. Nice day.
I don't believe him. He doesn't miss a trade. It's to throw you off, create
Yo,
less expectations and then do better.
thing about yesterday, the fact that I think Ted asked him about his laundry, because he picked up his laundry detergent for no reason. After Ted's like, "What is that, laundry detergent?" He's like, "Yeah, FOREX." I was like, yo, this guy is hey, mute your mic. Relax.
Duh. Oh man.
He said, he
I
held it
missed
up.
that.
He's like, "Yeah, FOREX." I'm like, what the fuck?
Yo, that dude reached out to you yesterday?
Who?
From the chat, the guy that wanted to collaborate with you?
Yeah. It wasn't for merch. I thought it was merch.
Yeah, me too. I thought it was merch. He's like, "I got your whole team covered." I was like, "Yo, do me a favor, get me a large." And I want to customize too. I need it with Stein on.
Carlo, you're missing the MT4 password, MT5 password. Come on. Yo, bro, why is Wix called lock character? That's why I named them. Oh man.
Can't
Yo,
use my
yo,
powers till I get these 10 pips.
Did you get the entry over here, Wix, earlier or no?
No, I haven't taken a trade in 2 days.
Oh wow. Not even last night?
No,
Gold?
no, I was out.
This is something you'll
What do
take
you think
care.
about these?
What's
Not bad. These gold cells back in the range. This 30-minute close back in the
Okay,
range.
yeah, this is
in
what we
5
this is what we
minutes.
wanted. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good eye, mate. 4 hours, 4 minutes left. That doesn't mean 4 hours left. 4 minutes left for the closure. If we can break the 1 hour lows, we might just fly down, but I'm gonna wait for a closure. But stops are looking like
Gonna
it's
do-
massive.
Yeah, that's the only problem. That's the only thing I was looking at. Stops. Like even if we close now off the 15, it's
Oh
gonna
my
be.
god.
I know. Oh my god.
about-
It's gonna be like 50
Look at
pips.
her.
Yeah, I think 40 pips minimum, 30 pips minimum. 30 pips is fine, but
Yeah.
we can close like this. Wickville, next time it comes down, fills the range. That'll be ideal. I'll take that position.
Mhm.
I mean, stops are. I mean, there's some volume coming in though. I can say that there's some volume, but
4 hours gonna be flipping bearish again.
Is it?
1 hour, yeah, 1 hour would be a celery play.
Yeah, 1 hour start play. All right. 3 minutes left.
May just make the push now. Who knows?
Could. Wouldn't be surprised. Look at GG also. They both look hella clean. Continue up towards that range. Unemployment claims in 4 minutes. Oh, I like you, Yudi. You always keep us up with the Forex factory news. I don't know why I don't have it up on my screen here though. Sorry guys. That's my job for the day. I guys have us up every single day. There was nothing today though. I think we had nothing till Friday, right? It's like at 12 p.m. It's fine. This is minor news, but yeah, there should be some volume getting pushed in the markets for sure. The news coming. 100p. Oh, 1 hour broke the lows. Okay, cool. I want a little pullback on this 15-minute closure so we can have a smart stop. Oh, GG looking clean too, man. GG looking clean.
You gonna go for GJ? Stay out of gold?
Yeah, depending on how we close on gold though. No, like, yeah, we talk about news. We just like, we see the news, we see that it's coming. If it's NP or if it's like some type of news, but if it's like orange for yellow folders, not really then. I'm really keeping a look on that. It's very minor, right? But yeah, they should push the market somehow, for sure. Geez, ankle's a little ugly. No resistance. Gold, man. 50 pip stops. Oof. A 50 pip stop on gold is equivalent to like a 20 pip stop on GJ. Oh,
fuck.
Shoot, we had
There
literally
goes.
30
God
seconds
damn
left.
it.
30 seconds left for a closure.
I knew it,
Loves
dude.
doing
I
that, like
knew
a
it.
minute or two. A minute or before the closures. It always does this shit. 58,
Bro, I
28.
called it. I knew it, dude. I knew as soon as we broke those 1 hour lows, it was just gonna be like a quick push like that. I knew it. How many pips
Yeah.
was that? 15?
All I'm saying is GJ bias.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. Oh,
No topic on GJ too. Ooh, you see the situation we were putting here? No topic on GJ. Oh, that's actually not bad of a wick actually. That's a wick. I spoke too soon.
I see it with.
Yeah. Wait for the candle to flip here. I'm gonna enter in buys. Yep. Once it flips and breaks the highs here, I'm gonna enter a buy. Stop's gonna be probably the current 30-minute low. So around like right now we're looking at around a 9 pip stop for a 14 pip target.
Yep.
I'm in position here, guys.
Well, I can't use the terminal, so I gotta use the web trader.
I'm in position. Gone buy here. Stop loss is previous 30-minute lows. Target is gonna be roughly up here for around 16 pips. Our stops are 9 pips here. This is our second trade of the day. First trade was 10 pips. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah, I'm staying out of gold. Staying out of gold. GG looks a lot cleaner.
You leaving a runner?
I might just close full at 10 pips to be honest with you, man. 10 pips is what, right here?
Damn.
Oh, where, is that amount of resistance? Yeah, like right there, I'm closing full right there. 149.944.
That's funny. That's exactly where my TP is standing.
Really? Yeah, it's right there. Resistance. Perfect.
944.
That's perfect.
That's hilarious.
I really need to take a piss. Use the washroom.
So?
Can't. I'm in trade now. Once the move stops to
Can't
break
carry-
even, I'm going right away.
Use the
Can't carry
bottle.
on to the rest of it?
Use the water
The
bottle.
The water bottle.
All right, guys, hold on. I'm gonna mute myself. I'm taking a piss.
Alright, I'm pissing. Currently in 15 piss.
Oh, it's full TP on this piss. Got all.
Oh, look like I pissed money.
You getting on gold buys, Pirado, or no? I mean gold sells.
No, I took GJ with you.
Nice. Oh, nice.
You're asking the wrong person. Carlo's already TPing. Carlo and Jeff are on the stream right now,
I'm in-
talking about their 30 pip TP.
Oh, pushing up here. Nice.
I know Jeff dipped it, but he definitely took that gold. I know he definitely took that gold.
No,
sell.
no, he took GJ. He took GJ buys. He has a runner right now. Actually, never mind. He's a runner. Yeah. Gold sells? Nah, I don't think he would have took that.
That dude does not miss a position.
I think he wait for a breakout of the range here. Yeah, he doesn't miss. He always messages me. He's like, "Yo, got a position here." I'm like, "Oh wow, nice." I'm like, "Shit, fuck."
Went too fast.
You know, once price gets up to like around, I'll say like this resistance somewhere, if price does get there, around like 149, 900 ish, I'm gonna move my stops to break even, make an anniversary trade. I'll consider a clean day if this trade goes through. 2 buys for a day, same buys, 2 10 pips. That'd be a perfect dip. That's all you need, right? And if you survive the first trade, if you know, if in whatever reason you still have runners, then congrats to you. You are in for a nice 150 here. Yo, Wix9, if you saw the first buys I took, it was the cleanest buys of the buys. You had the, what is it?
Very
Yeah.
technical.
Like everything made sense. Was it here? 615, 645. It was right here. This 15 close above. The 30-minute, you know, had a starter play. That's the buy we took. The
He's
1
got a
hour
nice
close
swing, nice
above.
rejection with.
The 4 hour close above here. Like, it was the cleanest. It was cleaner than this one.
It's a gladiator candle there. It's got everything.
Yeah.
Look, that first green candle that broke out right there, that's a gladiator candle right here. And then you had your celery play right here. And then on a different time frame, I saw it closed above above the wicks, above the body, below the wicks, which would have gave an entry. See? Like you get those once in a while that are just clean.
This entry was okay
Like-
too. This one right here.
Yeah, like you're not even worried about it. Like, you know, I get those entries, be like, all right, I just killed it.
This
Already
entry is
know
pretty
in
clean.
advance.
The move stops to break even when we break
100.
Yeah.
Yeah. We broke this wick now. If you guys look left here, we broke above this area. It should actually continue to go up. Like this is
This should go up. Yeah, there's
totally
nothing
clean
really.
traffic. Yeah. Like some minor
Nothing hold-
resistance here. Overall, like breaking that, it should just continue to push up with the NY open too. It's the NY open here, so can we get a fly towards 150 here?
Where's that rocket ship with Don?
The rocket ship.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm
It's only got you in there. You need more windows.
moving my stops to break even here, guys.
same.
This kind of shouldn't flip here if it wants to drop up. And we enter on the flip, right? We enter on this 30-minute candle. It shouldn't really flip here if it wants to drive. If it does flip, then you have some issues now, right?
Well, the previous one ended with no top good.
I'm actually use the washroom real quick. I really need to use the washroom. On BRB.
BRB.
Bro, it feels so weird using the web trader. Bro, freaking terminal's acting out.
What are you using?
I have to use the web trader, like M25 web trader, like one that
Why?
you have to use. Because my terminal acting up, so
Use your phone.
I gotta use my web trader because when I'm on PC, I'm more in it. What the fuck is happening downstairs? Bro, I just want to see TJ break out this area right here, man. Like, this is just stuck in here.
GJ needs to break its own high. We should be good.
Everyone's real quiet. Excuse me. Joking. I went to the washroom real quick.
Looks clean till 940. I don't know. I don't see a reason for it to hold here. You just got to break its own high.
Yeah. Yeah, like a lot of entries too in this trade too. Like on a buys up, you had like this right here was clean. This is decent entry. Like, yeah, a lot of entries. The first entry, I wish that I stayed alive, but unfortunately hit breaks. For me at least. Yeah. Nothing to worry about here, guys. Risk-free trade. Because if this kind of flips here, what's gonna happen is, if it flips, we have like 5 minutes left for the 15-minute close, right? And if it flips, then the 15-minute would then close bearish at the resistance. It would then look like this. And this would be the wick, right? And it won't be pretty. It wouldn't be an ideal trade to take buys on, obviously. So high chance we have to continue down to create a support deeper. Like somewhere down here, or, you know, stay in this range at least. But
Yeah, when it happens, you could ask yourself, hey, am I going to be taking a trade here? Would I take a trade here? Would I want to be in the trade here?
Yeah.
Boom.
Gold? Oh, I'm so happy to take gold.
Houston, we have liftoff.
Yeah, look left. Like, this is kind of clean here, and there's nothing really stopping it from going up, right?
Drive up.
Whose fire alarm is that? I hear that. Count this for profit. You can hit TP?
No.
Good job,
8
Skyline
pips
Trading.
here.
Good
9
job.
pips. Let's go. One more.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh, 10 pips here. Did I get 10 pips?
Close full.
Nice.
I got 10.
Yep, nice.
I got 10.
Nice.
Everybody
Yeah.
eating.
I'm closing full here at around 10 pips. Congrats for you guys. Done. What a simple trade. There's the trade.
Good trade.
Boom, 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 boom.
There it is. Damn.
Yeah, 2 trades today. 2 clean trades today. That's a great day. Same buys, same similar
Definitely.
buys. We missed this. We missed most of this range, but overall, like, we caught some of it, right? It's fine. We caught this and we caught like this earlier, so. Who just popped the position here?
That was me. I told
Samurai, obviously.
one of my positions.
Nice, Samurai. Nice.
I still got a runner going.
Nice. What's your runner till?
I'm dead, Samurai. That's
What?
crazy.
What? I got in at
Yo.
54, and a
Uh,
couple more pips, and I'm probably gonna close it right now.
Hey, remember that time, Sam,
Nah,
when we
it
asked
moved.
you, we're like, yo, GM position? And you're like, I can't see my eyes.
No, I couldn't. Bro, I can't explain it, but I couldn't
it's all
see it.
it's all love. It's all love. We're just playing. Chill.
yeah, just focus.
What happened though?
No, I took one position. I opened 2 positions, and I closed one of. I closed half, and I've got a runner going right now.
Nice. Yeah. Wait. So what's your runner going into?
I'm gonna just let it run.
Oh, forever.
You gotta put that in trades taken.
Oh yeah, I gotta put that. Thanks. Good call. GJ buys
Good trade, boys.
plus 10 pips. Pros that held, you got the 16 pips. But I'm just gonna put 10 pips. Congrats. If you did not close where I closed, then you would have got your full potential target. All right, congrats.
Nah, I closed full at exactly 10 pips, both positions.
But yeah, guys, just keep in mind that we're tapping a very minor level here. The 4 hour does look clean though to continue up towards 150, 133. Overall, we tap this amount of resistance here, so be aware of this resistance. That's why you see price rejecting here, kind of, right? Doesn't mean it's gonna come down all the way down to here, retrace the move yet, but it does mean that we have some issues. We have some issues here breaking through here, so be aware of that. Congrats. Let me go make a little. Where's Carlo?
That was
Like a victory oatmeal.
another one. All positions closed.
Nice. Killing it. Yeah, where's Carlo? Where you at? Yeah, where you at? There you go.
You know
Inder,
what?
check the 30-second chart.
In the 1 minute charts already going down. Well, obviously, man. What you thinking, dude? Come on. It's a good trade. That one felt good. See, you had a bad week February. I didn't change my plan this week. Didn't change my strategy. Did the same shit this week. This week, I think I took like what, 1 loss this week so far? Let's see. For the week. Took around
I'm 4-2 for the week.
2 losses this week.
Yeah, I got 4 wins, 2 losses.
Yeah, I'm on a good pace this month though. I mean, so far, see how the rest of my goes. But I told you guys that March is gonna be like probably the best month regarding volatility, regarding just ranges in general, right? Because January was trash. February was like kind of like that. It was at the end of it got better, but it was still warming up for the year. Quarter 3 here, quarter 2 starting off here in March. So
I remember, I just go by last year, March and April were my most profitable months ever traded.
yeah. Gonna let it go.
March is still quarter 1.
Yep.
Don said quarter 2. I said March is still quarter 1.
Yeah, it is quarter 1. I'm sorry, but it's transitioning to quarter 2 very soon next month, April. Yeah.
How so?
What?
Oh, March goes into
No, April is quarter 2.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah,
April's
April
quarter 2.
quarter 2.
Yeah.
What's your favorite quarter? When it
Quarter
comes to trading?
2 and 3 probably
2 and
best
3.
quarters. Yeah, just the volatility in those quarters are the best.
1 and 4 is boring.
when is 420? That's quarter 2. My favorite quarter is quarter 2.
You know, your favorite quarter is 420 that day in general.
That's the only day he's gonna trade next month. 420.
You kidding me? On 420, I'm popping 420 lots.
Whoa.
Hey,
Oh, you wait.
hey, who
Anyway.
here? Raise your hand up. Don't lie to me. Sees this right now, and their head is saying, "Fuck, I should have held my position." Just raise your hand up. Be honest with yourself. You know, don't lie. If that was
Raise
you,
my hand up for this jigger.
if that was you, then you need to reevaluate your plan, right? What was your plan for your trade? Right? What was your exit? Why was that your exit? You did it for a reason, right? So this is irrelevant. Whatever happens here, it wasn't part of your plan. So don't get FOMO over this. What is that? A fire truck?
Fuck.
Yo, who
Yeah.
just shit himself?
Like, man, McLaren's. I mean, McLaren's and fire trucks is
What
all over my
fire
ass.
truck?
Live stream.
No, because there's a lot of tourists around, so like shit goes down all the time here. Like they be fucking it up for the locals. Like it's too many tourists.
TP hit. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. Where's Carlo? Gotta add him to the call. Invite him.
Fist pump. Fist pump. Wait, who's moving the camera from which side?
Hey, we unlocked the character. We unlocked him today. We are at 10 pips.
Y'all not gonna see me till next week. I mean, next week. When my camera's back on. And I get a haircut.
I dropped my shit.
Oh shit, he just dropped his laptop on his back of me.
Yeah, yous are flying fucking 16 floors down right now.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I regret having runner. You don't regret it, man. You be happy that you closed full with secure props today, man. That's irrelevant. That wasn't your plan, right? That wasn't your plan.
Yeah. I don't regret it.
Well, admit.
But if your plan was to leave a runner, then that'd be a different story. That was your plan.
This is just NY Open.
What you need is a runner. Girl.
If this is just NY Open, watch NYSE Open. This shit is insane.
Ready?
Drop that shit, dog.
That's funny.
I could get jiggy with this shit.
Where's Carlo at? We need him in the call.
Not for nothing, that part is fire though.
Do you think GG is good for a swing trade? Okay, the first thing you gotta ask yourself is, what's your target for the day? Where are you swinging to? If you did swing in, I mean, you can't get in now because you don't have much range to go for the, I mean, depends where you're looking at though, right? It depends. It honestly depends from what time frame, what aspect. So yeah, explain to me. Like my plan for the month, my target for the month is 150, 500. And the month started like 5 days ago, right? From here, I made a video analysis on it this month saying, you know, I was looking for buys going up towards the resistance. I didn't swing it though. I was looking for buys every day during the week. I was bullish every day this week, every single day. If you go on the live streams, every single day I was bullish. I was never bearish this week, just because the monthly and weekly were just bullish though, right? But I'm not gonna swing it. What track is this, bro? Right here, man. Screenshot.
No free promo.
Baby, all night.
It's that Zara music.
That's that Zara music. No, that's that H&M music.
H&M music.
Oh wow, look at that. Price can't tap at target and came up like another 20 pips here. Not bad. Just be happy, guys. You know, like you guys always want more pips, more whatever, more trades. Like, come on. You planned the day out today to take buys above a certain range. You caught the buys. Like, what more could you ask for? It came with exactly with your plan. It played out to your T, right? That's it. Call it a day. Move on tomorrow. Do the same shit tomorrow. Nothing's new here, right? But be happy for yourself, though, that you were disciplined enough to take it.
I'm glad I stayed out of gold.
What'd gold do? Not bad. It didn't, 30 minute didn't break the highs.
It
was very
it
choppy
didn't do
though.
shit, really.
Very choppy.
Yeah. This 1 hour, you're right, might be a fake out, might be closing back in the range.
Next hour.
If it does, I may take sells. But man, last week GJ traded me like shit. This week, I haven't lost 1 pip on GJ this week. It's just been clean all week. That's the way it goes.
It's like,
Gold-
oh, yeah,
gold,
you're
however,
chilling like that?
Gold's been your issue this week, right?
What's up?
Your losses all came from gold, right? This week.
Yeah, I took 3 wins on gold yesterday. Took a win on GJ yesterday, and then I took a loss on gold last night during Asian for like 14 pips, 13 pips.
And you said you regret that taking the thing yesterday, the positions.
Yeah, 100%. Oh no! I took a position with you. No! I took a position after the stream on gold.
Oh,
Man, that was the worst.
Oh,
you were there.
yeah.
I totally forgot.
We're gonna work out. We're gonna work out. And it says, "Yo, I'm taking position here." I'm like, "Huh? Position?" I saw it. I'm like, and then it didn't look good. It was not. It
didn't look
wasn't the
good.
best
You
trade
know
he
what's
took. It was
crazy?
not his best trade at all.
Yeah. What's crazy is I had an amazing session. I had 3 dubs on stream, called them. Me and Carlo were talking about them the whole time. And then I got greedy and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna scalp this 10 pips on
You
gold.
had no reason to take that trade. You had a
I had
phenomenal
no
day.
reason. Yeah, that's part of trading though.
It's
I
like me
think
today.
Wickstein's touched on it a couple times.
I have no reason taking that trade today at all. No reason.
Yeah.
If I do and I take a
definitely.
loss, then fuck, man. There's no reason.
No bueno.
It's like what Wickstein says. You know, you gotta pay the house money at that point, but still.
Yeah.
I think also too, it talks about like
What you say?
I don't know what day it was. Wickstein was talking about like how trading teaches you certain things. Like yesterday, I would learn a valuable lesson. Like I took that shitty ass gold trade after the stream was done. After I had a good day. Like today, I just had that GJ dub. I had a small gold loss prior. Like I'm done. I popped a 4
exactly. Like none of that shit matters
GJ
if if your habit wasn't adjusted to make sure that doesn't happen again or to respond to that loss. I mean, none of that shit matters. You know, I mean, if you made an adjustment and you look back, then fine. It was a lesson, and you know. Oh man, don't lose the bacon that you made throughout the day by taking trades off stream. You want to bring that pork home. You don't want to go spend it on them.
But I mean, a lot of trades you could have took though. that was not it. Yeah,
that was not
you
it.
definitely
That
had
one was not it.
like, where was it?
Not
Where was it? It was was it on the 15 or 5 minute?
Yeah, it was on the 15. It was on the 15. It was a celery play on the 15.
Dude, it's alright. I have those lapses once in a while when I look back at it. I'm like, what the fuck? I go and take it. But that's like it's rare now. Like, but it happens. Like, once in a while, I'll get there. Like, what?
No. 10 a.m. 10
Where
a.m.
was
10
it?
a.m. 10 a.m.
It does happen once in a while, and you know what? I was boosted up after the stream, right? Like I had 3 dubs. I was up like 5%. Like I was feeling like the man.
Hey, chill. Keep that bacon. Go enjoy it. You killed it.
Was it a buy or sell you took?
Fuck, I can't even. No, it was a sell. It was a sell. I was only taking sells yesterday
this?
in gold. Where was it? Was it this? No.
Anytime you're feeling too high, too low from all this trading, that's when I feel like I got to step away, no matter how good the setup is, because like that's what's gonna kill it. Or
100%.
Like, there's how much
The market
higher
will
can you
spit in
go?
your
Like
face.
you win another trade, like now you're basically a degenerate gambler.
Degenerate.
Yeah.
Degenerate. Degenerate game. That's Just. Another retest on USD CAD down for a day 2. Great week. Another one. USD CAD, really? Is it moving? If I come to the chart and I see a 10-pip range, I swear, man. Oh my god, this is. It's not bad. It's not bad. How big is this range here? Okay, 23 pips on a drop. That's pretty good. That's not bad. That's a good trade. It's not bad. I hate USD CAD though. I hate it. It's just I gotta worry about the dollar and the Canadian dollar at the same time during the same
And it
session.
moves with oil. Like you get
Yeah,
oil.
and I got you know.
Bro, don't say that word around me, bro. I get PTSD, please.
Oh yeah, Jimmy is the oil expert back in the days.
No, please, stop saying that, bro. I have PTSD. Stop it.
Ooh, you got the 15-minute starter play here. 30-minute starter play coming down with the break the lows, the closure on the 30-minute. That's pretty clean. Or 1 hour, that was pretty clean.
10 p.m.
Good trade, man.
I was buying. Oh my god.
Well, 70 people watching. Let's get 80 likes. Let's do this.
What?
Yeah, like they probably think we bought our viewers.
Like,
Yo, that's so crazy. I was just talking to a friend of mine. Like we got a mutual acquaintance, and I looked him up on Instagram, and all of a sudden this dude he went from like 8,000 followers to like 62,000 followers right now. And I'm like, yo, what is he doing? And my boy's like, he's buying followers. Like, yo, word, why?
why would you be that desperate, man?
I see him posting so much shit. I'm like, yo, he must be doing something right then. But it's like irrelevant shit. And I'm like, how are people following for this irrelevant shit? And he's like, yeah, he'll post like a Forex trade or something. He doesn't even do Forex. He'll post,
What?
he does like credit repair, but he'll post a Forex trade and then he'll post like, yeah, I really do this.
Wait, what? No correlation.
I'm like, yo, he's got 62,000. Oh, that's crazy. Like, I'm doing something wrong.
Hey, I'm gonna trade stocks, but I'm gonna just post Forex trades, huh? What?
He don't even trade. Like, he'll invest in something. Like, he's not a dumbass, but like, he's got.
Hey, I'm gonna sell you a car, but I only do prank videos. What? Look at that.
Yeah. People be buying followers like crazy.
Why?
Yeah, the
Why
whole
people that
all of
desperate,
Instagram, that whole shit is.
Well,
I don't know.
that's why
It's like
though.
living in LA. The whole shit is fake.
Oh yeah, LA is fake.
That's why though.
Everything.
I
So you ever been?
think NFTs gonna pop off because I mean, people
Yo, honestly,
want like a
did you see the AD cards? Look at the AD card. That was the one you were supposed to collect for the
Carlo. Yeah, it
for the
was,
challenge.
what about it?
Bro, they came out with like 6,000 cards. Like 6,000 people did that challenge.
Yeah.
I looked. Every other challenge had like 200 people. I'm like, all right, 1 or 200, great. This is gonna be limited. Yo, like 6,000, 7,000. I swear this shit is manipulated. I
No,
swear.
because that week,
Market makers.
because that was the biggest week they've had though. That was their breakout week for NFT.
I agree, but I be seeing some accounts like, did you see the guy Awesome E? Awesome, yeah,
Yeah.
something like that. That's his account. Owns like the #1 card for like every player. He's got the LeBron James, he's got the Luka Doncic, he's got the like all as the same account. I'm telling you, like, there's so many accounts like that just hold.
So basically, he's Middle Eastern. Gotcha.
Like you're never getting those cards. No, I'm telling you, like there's inside information and inside favors being thrown
Well,
out.
there's that with everything though. You know, you can't really avoid all that stuff. This is kind of.
So basically, Premier.
All I know is that I put in $23 and my account is worth like $2K.
That's what I was just telling my boy. I'm like, yo, the only way to come up on that is grab packs where you can get lucky with, you know, and even if you get like, because you're not gonna get a monster card for sale right now unless somebody gets it in a pack and sells it right away for instant profit. That's the only way you're getting great prices on the marketplace. That's
You can
just
honestly
right
just
off the drops. People resell them.
You can buy packs right now. Like, packs that people are reselling, and then hold it for a couple years and resell that pack again in the future.
But it gotta be like the legendary pack.
Honestly, what I really like, if this really sticks, was what is this, Ferrari or something like that, the soccer cards, because soccer's got a huge audience and this shit is worldwide. So they're about to take off.
Cop in Mbappe card.
And they're supported by like a whole bunch of international soccer players. So I don't know. I feel like that has more potential than NBA Top Shot, NBA cards.
You know, both of them are global. It's just soccer is way more global.
But exactly, not just way more global, like 30 times more.
30 times for sure.
30 times the audience.
I just like the card.
Yo, Don.
Yo.
What trade are you looking at? That's a trader.
I'm looking at
Look for a goal.
GJ to create a support here, but I'm not gonna take positions probably. But if you guys are looking for positions, this could be a potential area where we can, we have to find our support at. Surprisingly, I find support here, and then I'll say create resistance right here. I think once you break out this range, next week 15 or some shit, to retest the highs, get a breakout, and then that'll be your bias to continue up the uptrend towards the next resistance. I mean, did we tap the 4-hour resistance here? Let's see. Yeah, we tapped that resistance right there. Minor resistance. That was like the target I was looking at today. We're probably gonna break it. The 4-hour candle just closer, but I think this candle's gonna create a lower wick. It also is a new 4-hour candle. It's gonna create a lower wick. Then once it flips bullish, that'll be your bias probably to continue up.
Second bill's gone.
Again, that's when it's gonna break that resistance on the 15-minute time frame too. So it makes perfect sense. This is the candle, next 4-hour candle potentially. And I did say, remember I did say yesterday, I'm not sure who watched my analysis every day, but I posted this and I said how high chance today we tapped it. This should just I drew it out. I mean, this is the today's candle. This is the day time frame. Like the today's candle look bullish. It's gonna break above the resistance for tomorrow to continue up. You go on to today's chart, and that's all she wrote. It looks exactly like that. So I mean,
that's another thing. People come in here late, be like, "Oh damn, I missed this trade. There's no point on here." Nah, rewind the damn stream. There's major knowledge drop. You look back right before the trades or when the trades are taken, and there's breakdowns, and that's all you need to be able to catch the same thing tomorrow. Don't show up tomorrow and be like, "Damn, I missed it." No, you can show up tomorrow and be like, "Hey, I just caught the same shit y'all caught." So, yeah, you ain't missed nothing. You just rewind. You got that button in front of you. Rewind. Watch the trades taken.
Don, goddamn Don Market Maker, the Mahalo Controller. Go watch the Train Up podcast. Hey, where's the link to it though?
Huh?
I'm gonna post it in my chat.
Oh, the celery thing? Oh, it comes out at 12.
Copy.
No, you have to click on the video and then.
Yeah.
Hold on, is that what he put there? The celery play trade?
Yeah, it comes out at 12.
Oh, later. That's not. I'm waiting for the other video to come out though. I have another like 30-minute video of where I just explain my strategy, like everything. Celery plays in there.
So hold on, how many videos you did with him?
Like, this was actually one video. The Sarah Play one and the podcast was actually one, but in total I'll say 3 then, if you break it up, I guess.
So he's gonna have 3 total videos with it.
Yeah, and probably like a simulator in the future, probably. That's why I'm waiting on.
Simulator?
Not for the results, but like I don't care about if I get like a high number, a high result. Like I honestly don't give a fuck. It doesn't determine how good or bad you trader you are. I just want to provide like my value in it. Explain the shit I'm doing.
Has he done simulators with other people?
Yeah, that's usually what he does after. He does a podcast and he does like a little strategy, then he does like a simulator.
Trader versus trader, that shit.
Anybody do trash in the simulator?
A lot.
I think people are missing the purpose of the simulators though. People come to the simulators that they just want to get the high score so they can have this,
Oh, you want it to reflect good on you to show that your strategy works, but
I feel like if you just explain your stuff really well and you can explain to them, the audience understands it, and you can break down each and everything you say, that's all that matters. I mean, that's all they look at it for, to be honest.
Most people, you forget 90% of the people come in for the money. So, yeah, 90% of the people that come in for the value will understand you. But that's 9% of 10%. The other 90% of the people that come in for the money, they're not gonna give a fuck. Oh shit, it didn't work. Fuck that, I'm not using it.
Yeah.
Right, it's 15 flip on GJ. Oh, God, crazy.
We had a good day today, man.
Who, me? Thank you.
Yeah, you too.
Right, that London one was like, bro, I was like waiting on it. I broke it down, but guess what? The video didn't save, bro. I was mad.
That's what
I was so mad. The video
didn't save.
Yeah, I like recorded it. Like I was breaking it down right before I entered, where my stops would be and everything, and then like the video didn't record. I'm like, bro. Come on, man.
You on a GJ trade? I got already. We got our 10 pips. That was my target, right? I had a position going on to here, but I decided to close full at 10 pips. I was comfortable with doing that. So Yeah. Part 2 of the brokers coming out soon. Part 2 coming soon.
Different types of forex traders, broker edition.
Well, that
If
shit
this is
scared
your
me.
broker,
I'm like, wait,
you
what
definitely
was
came
that?
from iMarkets Live, and you have an ATM emoji in your Instagram bio. One of my favorite brokers. You're probably a scalper though. Ooh, if this is your broker, you definitely live in the UK. You were probably in iMarkets Live at one point, but now you own a McLaren. A person who owns this broker is probably the neatest person you met in your life. We all know this one. This guy probably only trades the news, and he goes full margin each and every single trade. A like for part 2. Different types of forex traders, broker edition.
Oh shoot, we hit 1300 followers.
Nice.
Oh shoot, nice.
Bro, I can't wait till you on chart, Alex.
Oh
man.
shoot, 322.
Oh shit, I know, man. How are you? Let's go.
Yeah.
1500.
Do
1500
another
by,
Asian stream, you're gonna hit 2K.
Yo,
1500 by the end of this month.
I might do some maybe today. I'm expecting tomorrow to be a volatile day. Asian should be something. There should be something for GJ.
Tonight?
It's Thursday, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course,
Oh.
first Friday.
Right,
Friday's gonna be
right.
volatile
I'll say,
Thursday.
I
That
see.
news
I
looking
see
like
today
hummus.
days gonna close like this. I'll say for wick. Tomorrow's count will
look
probably
out
pop
for
up to fill the range.
Look out for that pop-up stream. Might happen, might not.
You gotta see. You gotta be there. Be there, be square.
We're gonna pull back every time we create a new intraday highs. We pull up to the man zone, push back with the retest intraday highs. Yeah, simple. It happens every day, right? If you see or not. You know, like we push up here. We push up. This is what happens all the time. We push up, create resistance. Boom, 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 boom. Right, price like, okay, you know what? I'm not done going up yet, but I want to create resistance now because I need some support to continue up. I need some support from my homies. So they'll create resistance here. They'll close bearish at resistance to drop back down to, you know, create support somewhere. We don't know where yet, but whenever it taps his homies, you know, let's say his homies down here. Okay, now that it's found his homies, it's like, yo, I need your support. I got your support. Now I need to push back up to retest the highs. Okay, so what happened is we'll just honestly just create support to continue back up. All right, and this is what's happening. We retest the highs, and then we continue the second time around because we're, again, the trend is bullish. All that price has to do is just relink with his homies. So once he relinks his homies, it's a good day, and then it continues up. That's the simple part of it. But yeah. Oh, Zerx is coming on to a live stream. Zerx, come on, man. My boy Zerx in the Zoom chat. What's going on?
Bring it in.
I stops off at the corner and talks to his homies and take a swig of the OE. Of course, that's what we used to do in the
Where my boy
neighborhood.
Locke at?
What up, Zerx?
What up, y'all?
Yo, what's up, what's up?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, Zerx. I honestly thought you were 14 years old, man.
Grown ass man. Come on,
I was
man.
like, what? Ain't no way he think I'm 14.
Our brother hasn't made it. Yeah, he's on the other side now. He just left the
He's
cave.
in the VIP. He's in the VIP.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
we're
they're
right
not
today,
that good.
man.
No.
We're
Yeah,
right.
gold coming back down.
No, we're right about the gold being kind of dead today and GG being volatile. Alright, that was big. That was huge. I just saw it just with price action. There's clean traffic here on gold. It's kind of stuck in the range still. You just can't tell, right? Must be the higher
Just
probability.
gonna
right
say
now.
that, bro.
I do.
You're
Oh, what?
you're on point with that today.
Yeah.
On a 1 hour, yeah, gold is stuck in the range.
If I was just trading gold though, and I wasn't looking at GG today, I would have lost my mind looking at this range probably. This is those days. It's fine though. Those days happen.
Man, I knew
Alexandro,
Lil Baby
US 30 buys? What you say, Jimmy?
I knew Lil Baby song so hard, having hyped this
Which one?
morning, bro.
Which
It
Lil
just
Baby
came
song?
out. Yeah, it's called Real as It Gets. featuring ESTG. Shit's so hard. I've been waiting for that. Bro, I've been waiting for that song where like I had the leaked version. Like, come on, I need the whole version, the whole thing.
Leave a like on the stream. Hey, I like that.
But yeah,
I
drop
love
some likes.
I love our support. Two fit strong quarter point. This is why I only targeted 50 points. Anticipate a retest. Oh yeah, this is US 30. Forgot. Talking about 50 points. Anticipating a retest in the 4-hour TM to re-enter for up. I don't know what that means. Time frame. TF, TM, I don't know, time minute. Entered on 30-minute closure above resistance anticipating volume to push up on one of our highs. Yeah, this makes sense. You had a resistance above here, right? We got a closure above there. That's to confirm that we're breaking above resistance. Discounts continue up to fill the wick. Should continue up here actually towards this target. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. I think though, we should call that a day, shall we? Not looking for much. We're not looking for. It's not an algo day or anything, right? So call it a day. And tomorrow's gold should be volatile. Remember, we have NFP today, so I think that's why it was a bit choppy.
NFP tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Sorry, but I do believe we're gonna come down to fill the range here by the end of the session. It's just good luck looking for entries. This is very choppy.
Everybody go listen to that interview with Don.
Yes, go watch
sir.
me. Go listen to that podcast.
Boy.
Although I was very nervous, go listen to it.
You ain't nervous.
He was
I
nervous.
guess.
I could tell he was nervous.
Like, he was nervous. It's alright though.
Actually, hold on. I got an idea.
So,
Oh, I'm done. So like every Thursday, does it always range before NFP?
No, not always, but today, yeah, today that was the case, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, peace, everyone. Take it easy, y'all.
Yeah.
Me all night.
What you need is a love, someone to take over. Oh girl, don't look any further. What you need is a love, someone to take over.